SMF Street, to the SMF traders. I'm going to show people a very nice thing here as soon as I get that chart back, and it's going to be on the Dow. We're using our charting platform, which is really a market maker platform that displays the price action between the buyers and the sellers at certain mathematical lines per se. And here is the current Dow. Is we have slid half of the weekly bar over here, and that price was at 11134. So far, we have another problem is that this week's bar right here, this number here, this is where that reversal started to take place. This bar right here was 11256 on the Dow. And you can see where that was. You can also see the timestamp. That's the upper end of any counter trend moving forward going into the rest of the year, or Santa Claus rally or none, or whatever it's going to be, is that's going to be my ultimate resistance at 11256. Because we have slid this bar weekly price action below half of that previous bar right there. And same thing here. My shorter term challenges, this bar right here where the bottom up accumulation occurred from top to bottom and bottom to top, but the body of it is right here. Half bar 11291 is what I'm showing on 1115. 11439, that was the high. The low that day, they really slid the bid. That was the low. And the close was right up here, but check it out. 295.77 points during that weekly move in total pricing. That goes up and down, both ways. So basically the volatility, the buyers have been coming in, but we got some challenges right here at this particular bar, which is half of the closing bar. And we had the Thanksgiving holiday week in here. So Thursday and then Friday was a half day. But it's still going to count no matter what as a period of 5. So the 11129, the 11129 is going to be the upside challenge. We've got to close above that shorter term number right here. If we do not, we will continue to move lower down in the delta contraction. And that would be where the downtrend that, we have a pit stop here. And if we don't close above there, then that means that half of that bar is resistance. And if we can't close above it, then that means we're going to go lower. And that's the key. That's the SMF, half weekly price action bar. So basically this is the Dow, and the Dow, just like anything, when trends start, the trend had a nice breakout from here, and we've had that little bit of bad news that came out of Ireland that contributed to some of this weekly bar right here, along with Portugal and Spain, and lots of headline events played their role in the price action movement. And that also created the emotional response. So far, we see a big buy here. However, we got to see that this next upcoming week that we close above there and we consolidate above that area in the Dow. 11129. That's this one right here. Okay. And there's 116.33 movement up or down on Monday, MMTs.